Namaskar, welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today I am preparing all-time everyone's favorite mango ice cream. It is so creamy and delicious dessert without using milk, cream or any kind of flour. Whoever eat this divine tasteful mango ice cream will tempted to eat again and again. Let us see how to make mango ice cream. At first, I need hung curd. It's good to take fresh home-cooked yogurt. On top of the bowl, I took strainer. Place clean muslin cloth on top of it. Put 1.5 cup of fresh yogurt or curd. To avoid curd to get sour, keep this inside the refrigerator for 8 to 10 hours. Now we need coconut milk. I show you how to get coconut milk now. I have taken 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. Then squeeze the grated coconut to get pure coconut milk, or else grind it in the mixer jar and squeeze the milk by using muslin cloth too. But never add water on this. Here I am taking 2 big size Alfonso mango. As I am showing you, I am peeling the mango skin by my hand instead of using peeler. This will remove mango sap, if any. The mango sap is very acidic and cause to get cough or throat allergies too. Cut the mango pulp, make it into a mango puree by using mixer jar. I have around 2 cups of mango puree here. I am taking 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Grind it in a mixer jar. To make sugar powder, take mixing bowl now. Add mango puree inside. If you want, you can strain the mango puree. I am taking as it is now. Add 3/4 cup of hung curd or thickened yogurt here. Have a closer look. The hung curd is so thick and solid. Whisk it continuously 2 to 3 minutes so that the curd will combine with the mango puree. Now I am adding 3/4 cup of coconut milk. Whisk it again. Okay, instead of whisking, you can use mixer jar too. Only thing is, mixer jar creates lots of air bubbles as we are using yogurt here. So I am just avoiding more air bubbles here. Add 3/4 cup of brown sugar powder. You can vary it according to the mango sweetness. Or else you can add jaggery powder too. Whisk it again around 1 to 2 minutes continuously so that sugar powder melt inside. Take a near look. It is so creamy and rich in yellow color. Now this is ready to go for freezer. Now pour this mixture inside the small container. Use cling wrap and follow my steps as I showed in the video. This process will help no formation of water droplets. On top of, cover the another layer of cling wrap, or else you can cover the lid too. Keep it in the freezer up to 4 to 6 hours. I am taking out from the freezer now. Have a look. It is so creamy. You can have it as it is now, but I want a little more creamy as the restaurant serve. So, I am grinding the semi-solid ice cream inside the mixer jar. Only for 30 seconds, okay? Avoid grinding too long to get watery mixture. Now, pour the ice cream mixture in a small container. Now add 1 teaspoon great taste enhancer Everest Kesari milk masala powder. If you don't have this, then add cardamom powder with some pistachio, almonds and saffron pieces. Follow the same earlier process to cover the cling wrap. Now keep ice cream mixture inside the freezer up to 6 to 8 hours. It's been 6 to 8 hours now. After removing from the freezer, have a closer look. So creamy and golden yellow color. So soft and mouth-watering. Cook healthilicious mango ice cream today. Enjoy with your loved ones. By the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get future video notification. Try this recipe today and do comments below. Thank you.